How to resolve Binance verification failed issue. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Binance verification failed issue. If you are facing this issue, then first of all, you will need to check whether you are connected to the stable internet connection or not. You may also try switching between data network and Wi-Fi to check if that solves your problem. If your internet connection is working fine, then you will need to ensure all the details you have entered during the verification process matches your identification documents. This may include your name, date of birth, and address. In this verification failed page, you can simply tap on this try again button at the very bottom and you can start verifying your identity from the very beginning. You will need to make sure you have uploaded clear, legible images of your identification, and also the documents should be in colors, showing all the four corners and be free from glare or shadows. You will need to make sure you enter the correct personal information and submitted the valid government-issued ID. You can simply tap on Continue Verification at the bottom and start your verification process again. Be careful while you scan your identity document and record a video of your face. Tap on this Choose Document button at the very bottom and here you'll be able to see the documents that are accepted on Binance. You can add your password, your national identity card, or resident permit. You will need to open your camera and scan your document. Make sure to follow all the instructions correctly and then you will be able to fix this verification failed issue. If you are using the Binance application, you might need to clear its data and cache. For that, you will need to open your device settings and in the settings page, scroll to find the application option. Tap on the apps. And once you open it, here look for Binance application. Once you find it, open your Binance application. In this information page, you will need to scroll to find the storage option. Tap on storage and here in this page, you will be able to see clear cache button at the very bottom. Tap on clear cache and once after clearing your cache, you can go back to the verification page and start your verification again. So by following these steps carefully, you will be able to resolve verification issues on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.